Okay everyone, in this video I would like to share to all of you how to make mattress cot with a cabinet in SketchUp. Okay, first of all, you have to make a basic shape with a rectangle or rotate that rectangle in. Then you can start from this endpoint of the group by just left click from this node, and then you can click again, and then you can drag it to the front around maybe it's around 100 and 1400 millimeter, something like this. Then you can push it up. You can push it up around maybe 350 millimeter, something like this. Then you have to make it group. Then you can make a separation about a mini stair step, okay, with a tape measure tool, and you can adjust it to the right side around 800 millimeter, right? So you can get the space right here around 2200 millimeter for the mattress. Okay, then you have to divide into the two stair step right here with our tape measure tool. Okay, and then you can make a rectangle in this area. You can make a rectangle, and then you can push it to the back around 300 millimeter. I'm sorry, 300 millimeter. Okay, this is for the mini stair step anyway. And then you have to make a simple cabinet in the bottom of the mattress with this line, so you can separate this two sided of the object, and then you have to offset it inside around maybe 40 millimeter, or you can a little bit smaller, it's around 30 millimeter. Then you have to push it back. Then you have to push it back as your desired about the dimension anyway. So you can push it back around maybe 400 millimeter. So, and then you can make a self divider. You can make a self divider in this area with a rectangle, and just give a thickness. Maybe you can give a 20 millimeter of thickness, and then you can just move and just press Control, just click object, and then you can set the 3/ and just press enter, so it would be divided automatically. Then you can delete unnecessary object, and then you can make a rectangle, or you can make a shelf. You can make a shelf right here, and then you can push it to the front anyway. Then you have to make it group, and then you can move to the front, so you can see but inside of the cabinet, and then you have to push you have to offset it around 20 millimeter. Then you can you can set the depth of this rack, so you can set the depth of this rack. Lock case is around 270 millimeter, right? So you can make it component, just create it, and then you can move into to the right side. Then you can move, and then move it back anyway. Just move it back, and then you can make another shelf right here with the different size right here. Then you have to push it to the front. You have to push it to the front until like this, and then you can push it again, and then you have to make it group. Then you can move it to the front again, and then you have to offset it around 20 millimeter of the width. And then you can set the 270 millimeter for the depth. Then you can position it on this surface, so you can adjust this this cover by select this line and press move, and then you can extend this line, maybe just a little bit space from another shelf, so you can apply about the same method, same of previous method. Okay, something like this. So you can see the difference. Then you can push it to the front again. You can push it to the front again to make this is at the same position, and then you can make a shelf right here. You can make a shelf with a rotated rectangle. Then you can set the thickness, maybe it's around 250 millimeter, right? Then you can push it up. You can push it up, maybe something like this, and then you can make it group. Then you can offset inside. You can offset inside around 20 millimeter, and then you can push it to the back around 230 millimeter, right? Then you can see the difference. Then you can make another shelf with a rectangle, and then you can set any thickness of the horizontal shelf of this bookshelf. And then you can make it group. You can make it component. Just create it and just press move and select control to duplicate it, and then you can select 5/ to divide it automatically, so you have to erase unnecessary object right here. And then you can make another shelf. You can make another shelf cover with the divider, line divider. Then you can right click and divide it into the 3 part of the dividing. Then you have to select a rectangle, just adjust it with the scale, and then you can delete unnecessary line with erase, and then you have to push it to the back. Okay, maybe then you can make it group and make it component. Anyway, just create it and then just move it to the center on and left side more. Anyway, then so you can get the cabinet for the cot mattress. So after this you can make a mattress itself with the rectangle with any size as proportional as possible. So you can push it up, and you can push it up around, maybe 20 millimeter. I'm sorry. Before you make this step, you have to make barrier for this area. So you have to offset it. So you have to make this rectangle, and then you have to offset, and you can offset with 20 millimeter inside. Then you have to erase unnecessary object, and you have to push to the front around 50 millimeter, right? Then you can see this is just a mattress barrier, and then you have to set the mattress object with rectangle, and then you can push it up around maybe 250 millimeter of the thickness, then so you can see it. And or if too thick, you can push it down until 50 millimeter, so it look more thin. Anyway, then you can make a curvy of the every corner of this mattress by select this plane and then just select follow me, and it will be automatically curvy corner. Then you can repeat the same method of our previous method for this side by select the 2-point arc and then select this plane, rectangle plane, and then you can select the follow me tool, then just select this side, so it will be automatically become curvy corner of a mattress. Then you can make a window right here. You can make any size of window, something like this. It would make more comfort for daylighting. Then you can make a frame, window frame, and then you can just offset it inside around maybe 40 millimeter, and then you can erase some unnecessary object, and then you can push it to the back around 120 millimeter. Then you have to make it group, and then you can make another frame right here with a rectangle, and then you have to push it to the right side around 40 millimeter also, and then you can make it group, and after that you can move it to the right side. Maybe something like this. Then you can rotate it with a rotate tool, and just rotate for any position as you want. Then you can move about with a vertically movement, and just press this area, select this area, and just select push to adjust it, and then you can adjust the vertical frame, and then you can make a window leaf. Anyway, you can make a window leaf, and you can offset it inside around maybe, okay, something like this. Then you have to push it to the back around 30 millimeter, right? Then you can make another object such as glass object. You can make a glass object right here, and then you can have to push it to the front and make it group. Then you can make another glass object with line, and you can follow the perimeter. Of the empty space to fill out with glass object, and you have just set the width around here. Then you can select a glass in this position, and you can select a frame color. You can select a frame color with this material. It more look like representative. Then you can position on every glass and every door window leaf anyway. Then so you can see the result. Then you can adjust the color of the glass. Then you can adjust the material with a synthetic surface for cabinet. Maybe you can adjust this synthetic surface for the cabinet. Okay, so you can see about the result, and then you can make another color of the wall. Maybe you may use another color to make it more comfy. Anyway, then so you can get it. So you can use this material. It will make this object more highlighted. Then you can adjust another material, something like this frame, and you can adjust the mattress material with a fabric, and then you can select this and just adjust the RGB. So just move it all to the left side, and just adjust the brightness on the color wheel, so you'll you will get different color of the material. So you can set the ceiling. Okay, and this is completely 3D object of a cot mattress with a cabinet. Thanks for watching. I hope you will get a lot of advantage and benefit of this video, and watch for my next video. Thank you.